Let's settle this. What's the best way to elevate your digital marketing strategy? Traditional methods. Effective but time-consuming. Social media. Engaging but unpredictable. AI. Smart, efficient, and data-driven. I've tried everything, spending hours on analytics, still missing the mark on targeting. Then I embraced AI, tailored campaigns in minutes, real-time insights, and higher conversions. It's like having a marketing genius on speed dial, actual game changer. So how are you using AI in your marketing? Comment below, yes, if you're excited about AI.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.